Heat oil in a medium pot, add garlic, ginger, and scallion whites. Sauté for 1 minute. Pour water. Add turmeric, black pepper, and chicken bouillon. Stir, cover, and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch with cold water to make a slurry. Drizzle into the soup, stirring constantly. Let it simmer until slightly thickens. Beat the eggs in a small bowl. Slowly pour through a fork to create ribbons. Allow the eggs to set for a few seconds, then gently stir to break it up. Remove from heat, add green onions, and serve. Thank you for watching. For the full recipe and detailed instructions, please check out the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Until next time, ciao!